Your patio and driveway are massive water collectors, posing a hidden threat to your entire property. A small puddle can shift the ground beneath your home, leading to catastrophic foundation cracks. Before major cracks appear, your house warns you with water stains, a clear signal of poor drainage. This sets off a chain reaction. Crumbling concrete, unstable pavers, soil erosion, and dangerous ice. We will now break down why this happens and show the exact systems that will protect your home for good. So, you've seen the potential damage. But what is it about modern designs that creates this perfect storm? Unlike natural ground, surfaces like concrete are impermeable. They force water to pool in vulnerable spots. The first defense is simple. Collect and redirect surface water before it has a chance to soak in. Solution 1. Replace solid surfaces with materials water can pass through, like crushed or pea gravel. Solution 2. Install channel drains along hardscape edges to act like a gutter, catching sheets of water. Solution 3. For isolated low spots where water collects, a spot drain acts like a sink for your yard. But what if you have drains and the ground is still soggy? What if the problem is deeper, in the soil itself? Construction traffic compacts soil, squeezing out air pockets and creating an invisible waterproof layer. The answer is to restore the soil's natural structure. Aerating and adding organic matter lets water in. When absorption isn't enough, the next level of defense is creating an underground highway for water. A French drain is a hidden gravel-filled trench with a perforated pipe that collects and channels water away. Because they are underground and resist clogging from surface debris, they are exceptionally reliable. These systems sound effective, but what do they look like in action? Let's check 3 common problem areas. For a patio sloping toward the house, a channel drain at its edge creates an impassable barrier for water. For a large driveway, permeable pavers turn the entire surface into a drain, letting rainwater seep through. If you have a stubborn wet spot in your yard, a French drain is often the only permanent fix for the soggy ground. Solutions can be beautiful. A dry creek bed acts as a functional, natural channel to redirect heavy runoff. We asked about the soil earlier. While fixing it is vital, hardscapes produce too much water for soil alone. But even good solutions have trade-offs. Permeable pavers can clog with silt, requiring regular cleaning. For serious runoff, like from a sloped driveway, a heavy-duty trench drain is built to handle massive flow. When aesthetics are the priority, a slot drain uses a tiny linear opening that nearly vanishes visually. With so many options, how do they fit together? The answer is to stop thinking about single products. We began with the threat of foundation cracks. A French drain is the direct countermeasure. Foundation insurance. Permeable pavers are only effective if the soil beneath isn't compacted. Together, they mimic a natural forest floor. The cost of a channel drain is minimal compared to repairing a cracked, sunken patio. This is prevention, not repair. The ultimate protection is a chain. Gutters to a catch basin, to a channel drain, into a French drain system. Every rainfall puts your property to the test. Without a plan, water is a relentless force seeking a weakness. But now you have the toolkit. You understand how to manage water on the surface, in the soil, and with systems. After the next rain, walk your property. Look for the signs: pooling water, stains, erosion. See the problem clearly. Protecting your most valuable asset starts with controlling the water around it. Don't wait for damage to appear.